Alright, you guys, this is a presentation of the history of the United States flag. The USA flag. There's been several different versions of this flag. So the first American flag in 1777 here. The birth of the Stars and Stripes on June 14th, 1777. The Continental Congress adopted the first official US flag. The flag featured 13 red and white stripes representing the original 13 colonies. It also included 13 white stars on a blue field representing a new nation. On June 14th is now celebrated as Flag Day every year. And that's also Donald Trump's birthday on Flag Day. But yeah, that's the original first American flag right there. That looks sick. Now how the flag has changed growing with the nation. A new star has been added whenever a new state joined the Union. The number of stripes briefly increases to 15, but later returned to 13 to honor the original colonies. The current flag has 15 stars, one for each state. The 50-star flag became official on July 4th, 1960, after Hawaii became the 50th state. And there's all the flags right there that have changed throughout the years, which is pretty cool. So next, what the flag represents, the meaning behind the flag. 50 stars represents the 50 U.S. states. 13 stripes represents the 13 colonies. Red symbolizes courage and valor. White symbolizes purity and innocence. Blue symbolizes vigilance, perseverance, and justice. And I didn't know, but all the stripes represent the 13 states that says there. Then, of course, the stars represent all 50 states. But the 13 original colonies, that's what the stripes are for. The American flag today, a symbol of freedom. The American flag is the symbol that schools, government buildings, military bases, and homes across the country. It honors the sacrifices of those who have served the United States. Americans celebrate the flag on Flag Day, June 14th, Independence Day, July 4th, Memorial Day, and Veterans Day. The Stars and Stripes continues to represent freedom, unity, democracy, and hope. I have about 4 or 5 American flags myself. And then in conclusion, the United States flag has evolved alongside the nation for more than 240 years. From its 13-star beginning to today's 50-star design, it stands as the lasting symbol of the country's history, values, and commitment to liberty and unity. There's a few of the iconic U.S. flags throughout its history. Hope you guys enjoyed.